Hi guys, my name is Ben. I work for Outdoor Adventures under Student Affairs for Campus Recreation, and we're here to celebrate Bike Across PA Month. We're here to give you a few short tips on how to be safe on the road. And if you have a short attention span like us,
Ben.
then you'll enjoy this video.
Hi, and I'm Michael. We're gonna tell you some do's and don'ts for the bicycle. First lesson, this is a bike.
So first do, always wear a helmet because you never know what might happen on the road.
Since helmets are so safe, why don't we just wear them all the time? So remember, when you're on a bike, you still have to abide by all the traffic rules. So when there's a stop sign, you must stop. So when biking, it's very important to warn the pedestrian that you're passing. Here's the wrong way to do it. When passing, here's the right way to do it.
On your left, good sir.
Oh, thank you very much. Have a nice day.
So when you're riding your bike, make sure that your hands are free at all times so that you can use the systems that are on your bike. For example, your brakes. And remember, be careful in wet conditions! And make sure when you're done bike riding that you find a designated bike rack on campus to make sure your bike is secure and out of the way. And most importantly, don't do this.
And remember, when it starts to get dark out, make sure to have lights on the front and back of your bike.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned something today. And now go out and enjoy PA Bike Month.